completing his eligibility in college at Bemidji State. Now Fuko pass out in front, and Hala controls now, and he'll send it back to the point. John Blom, a wrister for a redirect. Hala kicked away late by Clemmy. Nice setup there from the point. Coin strips it loose, a short-handed break, quick long play, 2-on-1. Coin shoots and K, a glove save. Landry centering pass out in front, broken up. Medved will keep it in. Final seconds of the Iowa Wild power play. Medved up top, wrister, they score. It'll be an even strength goal, and Drana back on the ice. And Iowa grabs a 1-0 lead. He was fronted by the defenseman. Baldwin comes back to the line. Oberg has it. Moving into the slot. The pass out of reach for Mancarey. Hockenpah onto the tape of Mancarey. Now the slot. Acoin shoots. He scores! He is now 7th all-time in AHL points. Keith Acoin. Tourney plays it fancily off the back of the net and around Rao and into center. It's Ratty carrying in. Pass was behind Andronov, and Rao gets the clear. Oh boy. Turned over now McMillan. 2-on-1 shorthanded with Hala. McMillan shoots, he scores! A shorthanded goal, the Iowa Wild back in front 2-1. McMillan's 5th of the season and his 4th point against the Wolves. Fuko will move into the offensive zone, kept to the outside by Hockenpah. Spun deep for Eric Hala, grabbed by McMillan. McMillan on the front, Hala shoots, he scores! 3-1 Iowa, Hala's 9th of the year. Mark Mancarey racing after, fires it short side and just missed. Long play, knocks it down, gives it off to Mancarey. Played back to the point for Oberg. Head fake, now a slap shot, they score! Off of Canody out in front, and it's a 1-goal game once again.
That's an important goal.
Now Corey Locke pass it up front, and it's sent wide by Boulder. Now a chance on front. Reddy shoots, he scores! His team leading 12th goal of the year. Ties it at 3.
I will say one thing, and the reason this goal was scored is because the shot from the point was on net.
Across, Journey back to Regner between the rings. They go to the dot, a coin down low. Ready, turns, fires, rebound, and Drana can park it home. Conley banded a shot. He squeezed the 3 out in front. Oh, a huge save by Climby. 3-on-2 for the Wolves. A coin across the line, Coyote going to the net. A coin shoots, and Curry looking around, but it's underneath him.
What a nice play, you know.
Canoni after a loose puck, after blocking a shot by Blom. Canoni knocked down, and he couldn't get it out in front for Ty Ratty, who was with him. Now a breakaway the other way. Boussier is backhand, climbing, a huge save, rebound, climbing, highway robbery, and there we go. Dmitry Askin can win it for the Wolves, 1 for 2 on the season. The Czech native, he scores! The Wolves 4 for 4 win the shootout 4-1.
Boy.